Hi everyone! Our family recently visited the Azores island, a Portuguese archipelago in the Atlantic. We spent the final part of our visit based in Ponta Delgada. In this video, we offer 5 easy trip ideas from Ponta Delgada, which will give you a snapshot of all the island has to offer. Let's go! Ponta Delgada's most famous site are the city gates. Surrounding this landmark, there are plenty of small streets and local shops. Canned sardines are one of Portugal's major exports, and this shop has some very cute boxes to take as souvenirs. The first trip we recommend is Lagoa do Fogo, or Lake of Fire. There are a few viewpoints around the lake that are marked on Google Maps. You can also do some hiking here if you are after more epic panoramic views. It's not as popular as Siete Cidades viewpoints, but for us it was equally impressive. Check out our Siete Cidades video to see how they compare, and do subscribe for more adventurous family travel ideas. A second must-do trip on the island of São Miguel is Ponta Ferreira. Here it is about natural pools, geothermal activity, and more hiking on the rugged west coast. I think some changing rooms here, and then the bathing spot is just at the end of the path. So we're about midway now between low tide and high tide. The water is quite strong. Definitely not something for young kids. But Toby will try to get in and let us know how it is. Lucas, where's Papa? Yeah, he's went! He went in! The geothermal activity is pushing warm water, and then there's cold water coming from the ocean. So it's nicer to be here close to the rocks, but of course if there are big waves, then it's a bit dangerous, huh? There's a hiking trail. So now you can see why the island is so green. It's actually called Ilha Verde. We're having a rainy day today, quite a bit of clouds, so we're trying to make the best out of it. We have our umbrellas with us and going to explore Ribeira Grande. Let's go! Ribeira Grande is a city on the northern part of the island of São Miguel. It is the main base for surfing on the island due to its 2 surf spots, Monte Verde and Santa Barbara, a black sand beach. We did not get to surf but enjoyed the walk in the city and its beautiful churches, gardens, and the famous bridge with 8 arches. If you do happen to have a rainy forecast during your visit in the Azores, another great site we would recommend is Carvao Cave. This is about 10 minutes drive from the center of Ponta Delgada in the area of the airport. The 45-minute tours are booked online and offer a great introduction into a special type of cave dug up by volcanic activity. Not to mention that you get to wear a fancy helmet. The kids loved it. One activity the Azores are famous for is whale and dolphin watching. Depending on the time of your visit, you have better chances at sighting them. We visited in May and the season was just beginning.
This is the catamaran, where they can take families and young children under 4.
Even if you are lucky enough to see the whales, a trip to the Azores is not complete without a soak in one of the excellent thermal pools and hot springs. Our favorite is not too far from Ponta Delgada and you can discover it in the recommended video. I'll see you there!